Hello, so a lot of people fail this maths problem. So come with me so that I can work it out step by step within the shortest time possible. So let's now start with our solution. So we have 8 to the power of x is equals to 60. So now how do we solve the value for x? So the first thing that we need to do, we introduce the log from both sides. So that's now we shall have the log of 8 to the power of x is equals to the log of 60. Now, when we have the log of p to the power of m, this one can also be written as m, the log of p. So that means that the log of 8 to the power of x can also be written as x, the log of 8 is equals to the log of 60. So we want to remove this 8 on this other side. So that means that we shall now divide both sides by the log of 8. Then also this side we shall also divide by the log of 8. So that means that log 8 and log 8 shall cancel each other. So that's now we shall now remain with x on this other end is equals to the log of 60 all over the log of 8. So from there now we need to factorize log 60 all over the log of 8. So how do we do that? So we shall now say that x now shall be equals to the log of 60 can also be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 15. So then close the bracket, then all over. So that now still we shall now have the log of 8. So for us to expand the bracket or open the bracket, our multiplication sign, which is this one, shall now change to addition. So now our x now shall be the log of 4 plus the log of 15, then all over the log of 8. So from there now we shall now say that x is equals to, so let's now divide each by the log of 8. So x is equals to log 4 all over the log of 8, then plus log 15, then all over the log of 8. So from there now we can now open this bracket by not necessarily opening the bracket but working out log 4 all over log 8 first. So that means that now our x shall be equals to, so log 4 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then all over log 8 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 3. Reason is that 8 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So that's now shall end up as 2 to the power of 3. Then plus here now we shall have log 15, then all over, so we shall have the log of 2 to the power of 3. So next we shall say that, so as we proceed, the log of 2 to the power of 2, now we shall now say that x is equals to, so this one can also be written as 2, the log of 2, then all over the log of 2 to the power of 3 can be written as 3, the log of 2. Then plus, so here now we shall have the log of 15, then all over 3 log 2. So from there now we shall now cancel, log 2 and log 2 we shall cancel, so that now our value for x is equals to 2 over 3 plus the log of 15 all over 3 log 2. So now we shall now proceed by saying that here our value for x is equals to 2 over 3 plus, so when you open this bracket or when we factorize log 15, we shall have the log of 5 multiplied by 3, then all over 3 log 2. So that means that our value for x now shall be 2 over 3, then plus the log of 5 plus the log of 3, then all of them all over 3, the log of 2. So next now our x is equals to, so now we shall have 2 over 3, then plus the log of 5 all over 3 log 2, then plus the log of 3 all over 3 the log of 2. So finally we shall now conclude by saying that the value for x is equals to 2 over 3, then plus. So here now we shall have 1 over 3, the log of 5, all over the log of 2, then plus. So here now we shall also have 1 over 3, the log of 3, all over the log of 2. So finally you can conclude that the value for x is equals to 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3, then the log of 5 to the base of 2, then plus 1 over 3, the log of 3 to the base of 2. So now this one now shall conclude, and we shall say that this one is our correct value for x. So if you really loved how we worked it out, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.